Hello, I wanted to take a minute and show you this 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. It is four-wheel drive with the FX4 off-road package. The exterior color is a beautiful pearl white. It's a local North Carolina vehicle with a clean Carfax report. We have those reports available for free here at the dealership or online through our website. It's been fully serviced and checked out and is good to go. It has 4 brand new tires and does qualify for guaranteed credit approval through the banks and credit unions that we work with. It has tons of options. I'm going to try to cover them all. It does have a 6-cylinder EcoBoost engine, and it has the blind spot monitors in the mirror there. It has leather interior. The front 2 seats are power. They're also heated and cooled. It currently has 110,000 miles. Your steering wheel has your Bluetooth, cruise control, and audio controls. It has navigation. That's also where your backup camera will display. 4-wheel drive, push button start, integrated trailer brake. You have your heated and cooled seat controls at the bottom here. It is dual climate control as well. It has the sunroof as well as the power rear window, and all of those controls are right here. Everything does work. And the back seat can seat up to 3 people. It does have the vents for the rear passengers as well. It does have the backup camera around the tailgate handle there. And it has a spray-in bed liner. It also has remote start. If you have any questions or would like to come in and take a closer look, you can call us at 336-270-5104 or visit us online at ddtruckandauto.com. We look forward to talking to you soon.